Oh, you mean the people who think the left lane is some personal scenic route? Like, bruh, you're going 62 and a 65 with a line of cars behind you, longer than my ex's list of issues. You should not be in the left lane unless you're passing. That's literally its only purpose. And yet, people think they purchased exclusive rights to it.
And what's worse, the guy in front of them is doing the speed limit, and they refuse to pass.
Yo, but let's talk about the psychology of this nonsense. What goes through their heads? Are they thinking, oh wow, what a beautiful line of angry people behind me. I must be leading a parade. Oh, you mean the dude who thinks he's playing Guess If I'll Stop is a fun game on the highway? This one is dangerous. People do this out of spite, which makes it even worse. If someone is tailgating, yes, that's annoying. But brake checking them, that's how you cause an accident.
And it's always some dude in a 2003 Honda Civic with a cracked bumper. Like, bro, your car is in no condition to be playing games.
My ex was a brake checker.
Why am I not surprised?
Sounds like she was trying to see if you'd stick around. Oh, she tried. But I hit the metaphorical brakes first. But like, if you still got her number, let me know. Nah. These people think using a turn signal is giving away state secrets.
And it's always at the last second. You're following a car for miles, and then boom, suddenly they just hit the brakes and make a turn like they're in a Fast and the Furious chase scene.
Yo, I swear, people drive like NPCs in a game, just randomly switching lanes with no warning. Turn signals are literally one of the easiest safety features on a car. A simple flick of the wrist, and boom, you're communicating with the world. Let me clarify. There is no legitimate reason to not use your blinker. It's a standard feature in every modern car. Unless your ex smashed it in a fit of rage.
Bro, you need therapy.
All right, time for an ad. Let's see if we hit the YouTube monetization lottery today. And we lost again. This streak is getting embarrassing. Oh, you mean the dude in a 2001 Nissan Altima with mismatched rims revving at a red light? Street racing is not just reckless, it's incredibly dangerous. If you want to test your car, take it to the track.
It's always the loudest cars with the slowest acceleration. You hear them from 3 blocks away, and when the light turns green, they take off like a lawnmower.
Yo, I got passed by a Prius once, and I swear I saw the guy in the Altima cry. Do we like having him here? Like, do we enjoy roasting him? Have we developed Stockholm Syndrome? Aly, blink twice if you need help. Oh my god, you love me? You actually love me. Admit it, I make your day interesting. Without me, you'd just be some dude explaining torque ratios to an audience that left 5 minutes ago. And don't get me started on people who take up 2 spots at the front of the lot on a busy day. If your car is diagonal in a parking spot, restart your life choices.
It's always somebody in an old luxury car who acts like they got a Bugatti.
Also, PSA, stop pulling in so close that I can't open my door. Man, if I gotta exit through my trunk, just know I'm keying your car on the way out.
Don't say that on camera.
Oh yeah, allegedly.
At the end of the day, we all make mistakes when driving. Nobody's perfect, but some drivers just test our patience on another level. But you know what's interesting? Every bad driver out there probably doesn't think they're the problem. So here's my question for you. What's your biggest driving pet peeve? And be honest, are you guilty of any one of these? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. I'm here, I see you, I'm trying to.
Please, Aly needs this, I need this, the other guy needs this. My self-esteem is directly tied to bell notifications. Don't do this to me.